So my name is Karen Hughes, and I'm from Mesquite, Nevada. I was a firefighter paramedic for the city of Mesquite, and I was involved in just an injury. It was kind of a fluke thing that happened, and I got hit in my wrist and in my hand. It didn't seem like it was really a really bad injury. We did get x-rays and it wasn't broke, so we kept just working, and as the couple weeks went on, the pain just got worse and worse instead of getting better. That's what led me to go to see an orthopedic, and then eventually he sent me to Desert Pain to find out that I had developed complex regional pain syndrome, which is very uncommon, but the day that I met with Dr. Wells, he immediately knew what it was and was able to start my treatment. I was kind of in just a downhill spiral in that I just felt hopeless, and the timing was really poor. My daughter was actually getting married about the time the CRPS developed, and so I had learned about CRPS that it was a lifetime diagnosis and that there was not a lot of things that would help, and so I became very hopeless and very depressed, and the anxiety of losing my job and not being able to be the mom and grandma that I'd always been just sent me into just a really deep depression. When I started seeing Dr. Wells and Dr. Empey, not only did they help me with the treatment, but they helped me emotionally because they were so compassionate and so kind and said, "We are with you." In fact, I remember Dr. Empey coming to me when I was actually out in the waiting room and I just broke down sobbing, and he came out and said, "We are with you on this and we will get you through it." So it's kind of emotional for me because I feel really close to them. The compassion and the kindness that they show is more than anything I've ever seen in any doctors. When I go in for my procedures, some of the procedures, I'm not gonna lie, they're painful, but they'll talk me through it. And then if they need to pause, they always are very kind. They're never rushed. They will always pause and help me through it. Something that I've been able to do at Desert Pain is see a therapist that she's trained specifically for people who have chronic pain. And she is more detailed in like the functional aspect of meditation, massage, acupuncture, those kind of things. And she's taught me how to use those as also part of my treatment plan. So between the functional medicine that she does, and then also the traditional medicine that I get from Dr. Empey and Dr. Wells and Dr. Hinton, I feel like it's a combination that works specifically for people who have chronic pain and helps them control their symptoms so that they can function better.